In today's video, we are going to show you how to face swap using Gemini Nano Banana Pro with one prompt, fast and easy. No editing skills, no complicated steps. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open Gemini Nano Banana Pro in your app, which is on the drop-down menu. There are multiple options for the prompt. You have fast, Gemini 3, thinking, and of course that's going to be the Pro. Here, all I have to do is click the plus button so you can add your files, which is going to be your photos for swapping. You can upload your files directly from your computer or add from Drive, from Google Photos, or Notebook LM, whichever you prefer. Now, I have added 2 photos. You want to make sure to choose clear front-facing photos for the best results. Okay? Now, you can type in a single prompt. You want to make sure that your prompt is very clear so that the instructions can be understandable with the Gemini Pro. Okay, so that's it. No extra prompts needed. And press enter or click the submit button. It's too easy. Wait for a few seconds while Gemini Nano Banana Pro process the image. Of course, once it's done, alright, it may take a little while depending on the complexity of your uploaded photos. Remember, the more higher quality the photos, it's a lot to generate. As you can see, review the results. If needed, if you are not satisfied, you can click regenerate for a slightly different blend. Now, once you're happy with the results, all you have to do is click the download full size if you want to copy the image, or if you want to share it to your LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, or Reddit, you are welcome to do so. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to swap with Gemini Nano Banana Pro with one prompt. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.